Okay, today we're going to do the assembly of the 4608 ceiling inlet. I've got all the parts laid out here. First thing I like to do is take the hinge, and we slide the hinge into the groove onto the blade. Then you're going to take the back profile, which has the groove in it for the hinge too. You'll see it, it's got the accepting groove there. Slide that on. Put those on there, kind of center it onto the blade. Okay, then I roll it over. This is the top, and I take my end caps. This is one of the end caps. Slide that into place. And this is the front profile, and it will go into this end cap too accordingly. You'll see. Then take the other end cap. Pick the blade up, start it on there, slide them together. Okay, now we've got it all assembled. We're going to go ahead and put the nails in it that'll hold it together. I usually just put it up on the edge like this, line these holes up, take one of these nails, and you want to use a rubber mallet, something softer so you don't break anything. And just hammer that down. That will hold it together. We're going to do the other 3 corners. There. We've got those 4 nails in. Now the inlet will stay together. Open your blade and shut it a few times to make sure that gets all loose and open freely. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we're going to go ahead and mount this bracket, this pull arm. And it will come with the bolt, the nut, and the washer. I take the bolt with the washer, poke it through the hole in the blade, bracket goes on it, install the nut. We're going to go ahead and snug that up. Okay, now that we have that arm bolted on there, this inlet is actually ready to install into the ceiling. And one thing that we want to point out is this hole in this arm is actually designed to use a zoom nut. And this zoom nut will go through there. Then you can pull your cord through there, tighten this up. And then you can use this to adjust your inlet. So if you want your inlet, when you get it all shut up and you want to tighten everything up, this is where you'll make your adjustment. Other than that, it's ready to be installed. Another thing is it does come with shutoffs. These shutoffs will be installed when you actually mount the inlet to the ceiling, and that's designed to hold it shut. If you don't want the inlets to open, it comes with 2 shutoffs. And you put them in the pre-drilled holes.